ಹಲೋ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್, ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರಿಂದ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮತ್ತು 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅದರದ್ದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದ ವೆರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಈಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕಂಪನಿ? ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಈಸ್, ಎ ಕಂಪನಿ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ who contribute money or money's worth to a common stock and use it for a common purpose. Second question, state features of a company. First feature, body corporate. Generally in India, the companies are formed and registered under companies law. Second feature, separate legal entity. A company has a separate legal entity which is distinct and separate from its members. Third feature, limited liability. The liability of the members of the company is limited to the extent of unpaid amount of the shares held by them. Fourth feature, perpetual succession. The company continues to exist irrespective of the changes in its membership. Third question, state the kinds of company. So company classification, there are two classification. One is based on liability of its members. Second is on the basis of number of members. In the first case, again it is classified into 3 types. First is companies limited by shares. Second is companies limited by guarantee. Third is unlimited companies. On the basis of number of members, there are 2 kinds of companies. First is public company. Second is private company. Fourth question, what is the minimum paid up capital of a public company? Answer is rupees 5 lakh. Next question, what is the minimum paid up capital of a private company? Answer 1 lakh. Next question, state the categories of share capital. So there are many types of share capital. First is authorized capital. Second is issued capital. Third, subscribed capital. Fourth, called up capital. Fifth is paid up capital. Next question, when the reserve capital is used? Answer, reserve capital is used only in the event of winding up of the company. Eighth question, what do you mean by the term share? A share is a fractional part of the share capital. I repeat the answer. A share is a fractional part of the share capital and forms the basis of ownership in a company. State the 2 types of shares that can be issued by a public company. Answer, first is equity shares, second is preference shares. Next one, what is a preference share? A preference share is one which carries preferential right over equity shareholders in respect of dividend to be paid and in respect of repayment of capital at the winding up of the company. What are equity shares? Answer, shares which do not enjoy any preferential right in the payment of dividend or repayment of capital are termed as equity shares. Next question, what is prospectus? A prospectus is an invitation to the public to purchase its shares. It contains a complete information about the company. Next question, state the methods of issue of shares. First one is public issue, second is private placement, third is right issue of shares, fourth is bonus issue. Next question, what is calls in advance? Answer, the amount received by the company from its shareholders on the calls not yet made is called as calls in advance. Next question, what do you mean by oversubscription? Answer, when the company receives applications for more number of shares than the number of shares offered to the public for subscription is called as oversubscription. Next question, what is undersubscription? Answer, undersubscription is a situation where the number of shares applied for by the public is less than the number of shares offered to the public for subscription. It is called as under subscription. Next question, what is issue of shares at par? Answer, issue of shares at par means issue of shares at a price which is exactly equal to their nominal value. Next question, what is issue of shares at premium? Answer, issue of shares at premium means issue of shares at a price which is more than the nominal value. Next question, what is issue of shares at discount? Answer, issue of shares at discount means issue of shares at a price which is less than the nominal value of the share. Last question, what is forfeiture of shares? Answer, forfeiture of shares means cancellation of the rights of shareholder on the shares held by him for the non-payment of allotment money or call money or both on such shares. Thank you.